from Swarovski Crystal World in Buttons. We are a museum, a garden, also a culinary attraction, and I am here to present the crystal world to the Polish market. As we see, there's a lot of interest in cultural destinations in Austria. We want to present all the culture and art which we combine in the Swarovski crystal world, and also in our crystal worlds and stores in Innsbruck and Vienna to the Polish market, and invite you all to visit us and see the home of crystals and in which ways crystals can be interpreted in our museum.
Also, aber die können das zusätzlich machen.